All right, guys, so the next thing we need to actually do is just make sure that our email is added into GetResponse. Now, this is going to be the email that we're going to be sending the emails from. So when people receive an email from us, it's going to be from this particular email that we have. Now, I did talk about in a previous video about having a Gmail account or your own business branded account. It's up to you what you want to choose, but you will get better open rates with the branded email. But I understand some people might not want to do that. So I'm going to show you how to just put a simple email in. Then I'm actually going to have a separate video just to make things easier on how you can go and get a branded email if you like after this video or somewhere in this course, explaining how you can do that. But it's really up to you. If you're starting, maybe you might want to do a Gmail, but I would recommend you actually do a business account. And just a disclaimer, you can use a Gmail now, but I don't know. GetResponse might change it at some point because I suspect they probably will. You know, this is a serious, proper online business. You should have a branded domain or email anyway. So the first step to just making sure your emails and everything's all good is simple. You want to go to this little icon on the right and go to My Account. Click on it, sorry. And then go to Manage Account, okay? And then go to Email Addresses. Now, first of all, read this here, and it will tell you why you shouldn't use Yahoo, AOL, or Mail.ru emails as a from address. They don't actually mention Gmail in here, so you could be fine just to use it. Okay, so maybe try a Gmail account if that's the one you're going to try, but do not do any Yahoo ones. Okay, they specifically say do not do it because you will get rejected emails. Okay, so just click down here and you can read that and see if they've added any more emails in there. So what you want to do is you might already have an email in here. That'll be the email that you signed up with. This one is already confirmed. So if I go and send an email, I can choose this email. But I'll show you how to add an email. And when you actually send out an email or a newsletter or something in your workflow, you can choose what email you want to send it from. And I'll show you how to do that when we actually go and create a newsletter and stuff. So I'm going to go add email, and I'm just going to put my name in. Now, the name is important as well because that's going to be the name that's going to show in the email. So I recommend not using your real name, okay? Because having your real name online, like obviously Franklin Hatchett is not my real name. My real name is Franklin, but Hatchett is not my last name because you have the right to privacy. So I'd recommend using what we call a pen name or a username. You can do that, it's completely fine. Usually what people do is they'll use their first name and they'll just do a pen or what we call a different last name. Okay, you have the right to use information. You know, you obviously don't want your private information online. I didn't want to. So instead of having my real last name, I had a different last name. Okay, it's just standard, online. People have usernames all the time. So it's basically a username. Anyway, so put a name in here of some sort and just simply paste your email address in here. This is a fake one that we have, and go add address. And then what you want to do is it says unconfirmed. Okay. So you want to go to that email address and find the email that they send you and confirm the email. And that's it. And once it's done, it'll be confirmed and you can simply use that email to send emails. Okay? So that is how you add emails, guys. You go up to here, you click on that, you go to manage account, you go to email addresses, and just make sure you have an email in here so you can use it to send out emails. So now let's move on to the next video.